5, 6, 7, 8. Group 1.
Hey.
Shout.
Hey.
Dance. You want to change, guys? You do the dance. Okay? Okay. Let's do it now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shout.
Hey.
Dance.
Hey.
Clap. Okay, thank you. Alright, so before we start the program for today, first and foremost, Mr. Zach Shao is actually occupied at the moment. He will not be able to attend this town hall meeting. So for the past few months and years and days, we have some tough challenges. Especially for those people who stayed with us, thank you so much. One of these is Anna is still here. Okay, Sheila is still here. Aman is still here. Who has been here? Debbie has been here. No is still here. Thank you for staying with us. Who else? Zijan. Okay, you guys are ready?
Ready.
Ready? Yeah. Okay. When I say banana, go banana.
What?
Okay. When I say watermelon, watermelon. What? Okay. When I say papaya, okay. Banana, watermelon, papaya, apple. Okay? Papaya. 7, 8. Fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake. Papaya. Again. Fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake. Banana. Okay? Again. Fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake. Watermelon. Fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake. Apple. Okay. Watermelon, banana, papaya, apple. Okay, let's do it. Okay? The first one to be eliminated has to do 10 times push-up. Okay? Hands on your hips. Let's do the practice. Fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake. Watermelon. Okay. Fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake. Banana. Okay. Fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake. Papaya. Fruit shake, apple. Okay. Papaya, apple, watermelon, back, front, banana. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake. Watermelon. Fruit shake, papaya. Okay. Once more. Banana. Apple. Okay. Only 2 gentlemen. Okay. Are you ready, Mr. Miraldi? Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake. Watermelon. Aywa. Fruit shake, banana. Apple. Papaya. Watermelon. Aywa. Now let's make it faster. Very fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fruit shake, fruit shake, fruit shake. Banana, apple. Apple. Okay. Fruit shake, watermelon. Banana. Okay. Fruit shake, apple. Papaya, watermelon, banana. Okay. Very good, huh? Okay. Alright, so now, alright, you guys are the winners. So you have not all of you, for all the birthday celebrants. Okay? Where are the other birthday celebrants? Come here, please. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Okay, happy birthday, everyone! Alright, so Aaron, what's your wish?
Successful life
With happiness. Aywa. What about you? What is your birthday celebration? Your wishes?
Happy life with my wife.
Happy life with your wife? You're happy with your wife? Okay, very good. What about Carl? What is your birthday wish?
Same.
Happy with your wife?
Yeah.
Because no honey, no money? Sure? Okay. No money, no honey. Okay. For us, no honey, no money. Because honey is a cashier, no? Okay. What about you, Muhammad? Aman?
To join my family as soon as possible because they stay in Egypt. So I'd like to bring them here.
Oh, wow. See, everybody wants to bring their family. Okay. Thank you, JNT. Miss Soleka.
What?
Soleka, please meet our company. Can you just introduce your name?
Hi everyone, my name is Laika and I'm manager of procurement and admin. I joined the company in this year, June of this year. And also, I'm a new joiner, so it's very nice to have you here and glad to meet you all. Thank you.
I want. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Pizza.
Wow.